Hello and welcome to my channel. And today I would like to show you how to make keto overnight oats without oats in it, because obviously it's high carb, not allowed. But I've been doing ketogenic diet for about 6 months, and I've been down 20 pounds, and this is the one of the lifestyle change that I think I can sustain with, I can live with. So I came up with lots of creative recipes. This one, it's with poppy seeds, so I've been getting a lot, I think much better sleep ever since I've been trying this. So stick around, I'm going to show you how it's done. Do subscribe to my channel, and hit the bell icon so you'll be notified for any future videos. So we will need some coconut flour, which is rich in fiber and MCTs. It may promote stable blood sugar. Next, we will take some poppy seeds, which, the best benefit is it will help you sleep better. So it's known to relieve exhaustion, decrease anxiety, and aid in good night's sleep. And it helps with dry skin. And the pumpkin seeds is help in reduce the risk of cancer. It's high in magnesium. And the next one we have here is collagen, which helps to improve your skin health by reducing wrinkles and dryness. And it helps to increase muscle mass, which prevents bone loss and relieve pain, joint pain. And then the next ingredients are chia seeds, which are loaded with antioxidants. They're almost all the carbs in them is fiber. And then the hemp seeds, which is rich in essential nutrients, and it may reduce the risk of heart disease. And then the next we have sesame seeds, which is good for your skin and hair. It's packed with health boosting minerals. And cinnamon, which is again it's another amazing ingredient, and it makes it taste better. And some kind of keto milk. I'm using a unsweetened almond milk. Okay, so let's get started, and we're gonna go ahead and start making it. So I'm gonna take my coconut flour, and also I'm gonna need some collagen and hemp seeds and some sesame seeds. Any kind of keto milk of your choice. Oh, and I have some almonds, which is chopped up almonds, and pumpkin seeds and white poppy seeds. So I'm just going over all the ingredients again just to show you what I use. These are poppy seeds. And you don't have to use some cinnamon here, and you don't have to use everything. You can custom this recipe to your own choice. And to sweeten it, I'm using the monk fruit, the brown monk fruit. So you use some type of jar where you can add everything. So I just have this tiny little glass jar that I'm gonna use. And you don't have to be precise or measure anything. You can just kind of, estimate it. So I'm just going to take a couple tablespoons of the hemp seeds. And maybe half a teaspoon of poppy seeds. And some almonds. I'm just using a 1 tablespoon. You can use as much as you want or less. There's no really exact ingredients you have to use. You can totally custom this recipe for your own choice. Here, I'm putting some poppy seeds. And all the ingredients are really help to reduce fat, and then full of nutrition. And then collagen, which I don't like to take it just with water. It just kind of has a strange taste, but if I use it in this mixture, then I really don't have to worry about the collagen taste. So I just use 1 scoop, like a recommended daily dose. and then coconut flour. And on top of all the nutritional value that coconut flour has, it also helps thicken it up. So that's why I like to use it most. And here we're going to put some sugar. Again, as it depends on your taste. You can put less or none, or to your choice. So here I'm just using a 1 tablespoon. And some pumpkin seeds. Sesame seeds. It seems like I'm adding a lot of stuff, but it's just good way to get all the nutrition in at the same time. And sometimes what I did this separately just so to clarify for the video, but a lot of times I mix all the seeds in one jar, so that way I don't have to open 10 packets of all different kinds. So that's just another tip that I would recommend. And I'm just adding some cinnamon in there. Again, if you like cinnamon, go for it. If not, it's totally okay. But a lot of the even cinnamon help you reduce weight, so it's like it's bonus benefits. And here I'm gonna add a cup or cup and a half of the almond milk, and then just mix everything together. And it seems a little running right now, but when you leave it overnight, it thickens up especially because of the coconut flour. And it's but it needs as you can tell, even so far, like I'm mixing it for in even a few seconds, it's already start to thicken up. So just mix it well. Here we go. This is how it looks, and I'm just gonna mix a little more, and then I'm gonna cover it and put it in the fridge. And just for this video's sake, I won't leave it overnight because I wanted to finish filming for today. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you the result maybe after 2-3 hours of putting in the fridge. So you can leave it soaked for about at least 4 hours. Overnight works as well. So let's I think I left it for just for the movies to finish filming. I just left it only for a few hours. So it's not as thick as it normally gets. So the longer you keep it, it'll get much thicker. But this is kind of how it looks. It's already, because of the coconut flour, it does get thick pretty quickly. But it's just take a little taste test. It's really good and full of nutrition. You can always, if you like fruits, you can just add fruits in it, or if you like to have more nuts, you can always change up, make it to your taste. You can add as many ingredients I do, or you can customize to your own taste. But do try. It's really it's easy recipe, and it could be a lot of times I eat it as a breakfast, or just as or I eat it as a snack, or even a dessert, because it is sweet, so it kind of works out both ways. So I would highly recommend that you try this, and if you do, share your own recipe, see how you customize it to your taste, and give me some tips. If you can comment below, and hit the subscribe and the bell button so you're notified of any of my new videos. I will be uploading a lot of my keto, and also just kind of like I'm into skincare. I make DIYs for almost all everyday daily use items, so I'm going to be making a lot more videos. Let me know if there's any content you like to cover, I'll be happy to do a video on that. Thank you, and share the videos if you found this to be helpful, useful, and also subscribe. Bye.